Hi, thanks for joining me today. Like many of you, you're waiting for the ice to form so we can go ice fishing. But right now there's no ice, so we thought we'd come down and put a little worm on and see what we get. So hopefully we'll get some fish. We don't know, but stay tuned and hope you enjoy the video. So today I'm using a Williams wobbler, a spoon action, and I'm hoping to catch a really nice pike. Maybe we'll catch a nice big pike to do a catch and cook. Doug and I were out fishing and we saw this very curious mink watching us. And so Doug started feeding him our minnows. This little mink loved to come and get the minnows, and he stayed with us for about 20 minutes while we fished. So we've been out for a little while and no fish, no bites, and it's getting pretty cold. It's really starting to snow a lot, so we're just gonna head in. And it was lots of fun. Stay tuned because we have lots of fishing trips booked for when there is ice, so stay tuned for those great ice fishing videos. So we have everything ready, so it's time to set up our bird feeders. And a nice thing.
Voila!
Oh, awesome!
Mani Manu.
That looks great.
I love it.
Me too, yay! One feeder up. Yeah, and then I thought we could just hang like the suet things down here. That's awesome. Okay, we're gonna get some feed. Hopefully we'll have some pictures of some birds coming to them. We've heard some crows and I can hear some birds in the background. They're getting excited for the feed. Yummy Niger seed for the birds.
Finches.
Finches.
Chickadees.
Chickadees.
Woolly mammoth.
Yeah, that looks so great. Yay! There's the second feeder with the suet. So stay tuned for hopefully some videos of
Beautiful birds.
Do you see him on the suet? He's like going to town. We have two red squirrels and they like to boss everyone around at the bird feeder. So they'll be chasing everything from blue jays to each other, and it is crazy times at the feeder. Well, we were very surprised one morning to look out our kitchen window to see this barred owl just sitting in the tree. He was very content just to sit and watch the birds at the bird feeder. As we watched, there was two blue jays that were not very happy that he was sitting there, and they just kept swooping down, and they actually hit the barred owl on the head 2 times before the barred owl decided that he was not comfortable sitting there anymore. The most popular thing at our feeder is when we had the peanut party. Everyone came out and enjoyed all of the peanuts. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to get notifications for upcoming videos. See you on the next adventure.